Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Airbnb. The report was first published on our website February 15, 2022, but this is a more detailed version which also includes some fundamental data you need to know. In this 7 to 10 minute long video, we give you the information you need to know about Airbnb for the upcoming trading day on Wednesday 16th, like support and resistance levels, signals, chart analysis, price to earnings ratios, and possible trading levels. Make sure you watch the entire report so you don't miss out on some key information needed for your trading. Please remember to subscribe so we can continue to grow and give you these free videos. Make sure to hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new video. Now just sit back, relax, listen and watch the screen as we will show you some interesting data as we move along with the report. In this section you will get some information about the current Airbnb performance to better understand where the stock is right now. In our systems, the Airbnb stock currently holds a 0.000 score, and our system has ranked Airbnb buy or hold candidate since February 8, 2022. This is an average return of 1.83% per day since first recommended. The stock getting 0 in score indicate that our system expect high volatility and risk for the following trading day, and given the latest development are not able to determine the next direction as it may go both ways. In our daily updates for Airbnb, our last headline reads, "A very strong day for Airbnb Incorporated stock price on Tuesday." The Airbnb Incorporated stock price gained 6.14% on the last trading day, Tuesday, February 15, 2022, rising from $169.66 to $180.07. And has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day the stock fluctuated 4.56% from a day low at $172.75 to a day high of $180.63. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 14.74% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 6 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 11 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.96 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $218.78, and the lowest price was $129.71. Right now the price is 17.69%, or $38.71, below 52-week high and 18.13%, or $39.87, below all-time high February 11, 2021 where the price hit $219.94. The Airbnb stock trends, predictions and analyst ratings. Soon we will give you the analyst ratings for the stock, but first the trends. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible minus 14.91% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between minus 37.17% and minus 14.35%. The 12-month trend indicates a minus 3.39% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between minus 30.94% and 10.76%. This equals a price between $124.36 and $199.45 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Tuesday, January 18, 2022, Gordon Haskett set target to $194.94. On Thursday, December 16, 2021, Royal Bank of Canada set target to $195 to $175. On Thursday, December 2, 2021, UBS Group set target to $176. On Wednesday, November 17, 2021, Morgan Stanley set target to $140 to $190. On Monday, November 8, 2021, Susquehanna Bankshares set target to $200 to $235. From analysts, Airbnb stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Airbnb stock a neutral rating. In this section, we will give you some information about signals found for Airbnb. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. The Airbnb Incorporated stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $168.27 and $160.52. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, January 27, 2022, and so far it has risen 30.1%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence (MACD). Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 14 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 15 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 7 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 4 days. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 37 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Airbnb. Airbnb Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $172.54, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $7.88 between high and low, or 4.56%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 5.21%. The stock has a beta of 1.39. This tells us that Airbnb is 0.39 times more volatile than the market. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Airbnb. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Airbnb currently has a price-earning ratio of -22.29. A negative high price-to-earnings ratio means the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even the most established companies experience down periods, which may be due to environmental factors that are out of the company's control. However, companies that consistently show a negative price-to-earnings ratio are not generating sufficient profit and run the risk of bankruptcy. Next upcoming earnings report for Q4 2021 is expected to be released February 23, 2022. The consensus among the analysts are $0.0300. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Airbnb meets first resistance at $180.85. If you do not hold Airbnb shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Airbnb finds first level of support at $172.54, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. Other levels you should watch based on the famous Fibonacci model are: buy at $174.81, $172.95, $169.94. Sell at $180.83, $182.69, $185.70. The average ratings, combined from several analyst sources for Airbnb, is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On February 10, 2022, Johnson Belinda J. made an inside sell of 20,000 of Class A common stock. On February 1, 2022, Ballo Aristotle N. made an inside sell of 4,000 of Class A common stock. On January 27, 2022, Johnson Belinda J. made an inside sell of 20,000 of Class A common stock. On January 27, 2022, Jebbia Joseph made an inside sell of 23,271 of stock option. On January 27, 2022, Jebbia Joseph made an inside sell of 7,778 of stock option. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -8.087. In total, the insiders bought 6,848,666 and sold 8,109,125 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $173.84, minus 3.46%. This stock has medium daily movements and this gives medium risk. The RSI 14 is 77 and this increases the risk substantially. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 13 days ago. Is Airbnb stock a buy? Airbnb Incorporated holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Wednesday 16th, we expect Airbnb to open down -$2.25 and start trading at $177.82. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.